Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying hardware compatibility and collecting keys. This matters because mismatched firmware breaks boot. Once done, boot into firmware setup and enable admin mode so you can import keys. Make sure to have a FAT32 USB plugged in with a backup of existing platform keys and certificates. This prevents lockout if something goes wrong. You will also want an administrator account on the machine. Without it, you can't complete the Bf6 registration steps, so secure credentials before continuing. You now import and enroll the Bf6 keys. This is the complex part because order and integrity matter. First, if firmware requires, switch to setup mode so keys can be replaced. Next, import PK, KEK, DB, and then DBX from the USB, checking each fingerprint. This prevents tampered certificates. Once imported, sign and timestamp entries as required by Bf6 rules. These timestamps ensure revocation works later. After applying changes, reboot to confirm the new secure boot chain initializes correctly. You finish by locking secure boot only after verifying the boot chain. Lock prevents unauthorized changes but keep a recovery USB and key backups nearby. If the system fails to boot, don't panic. Enter firmware, switch to setup mode, and restore the backup keys from your USB. This usually recovers the machine. Also check firmware logs and match key fingerprints. If mismatches persist, update firmware to the latest stable release, because firmware bugs often cause enrollment failures. This single troubleshooting step solves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.